The first national park on Earth, established in March 1872, spans over 2.2 million acres across Wyoming, with fingers into Montana and Idaho. Yellowstone National Park, a land like no other, gets 4.5 million visitors each year on average and contributes around $828 million to the local economy. The park is known for its wildlife, beautiful landscape, and its fascinating and unique geothermal features. In this video, we will learn about some of those geothermal features, the geological activity behind them, and more about the park in general. If you are an explorer or a science lover, this will be an interesting ride. Please subscribe to this channel to stay tuned. The major attraction of the park is the hot springs and geysers. Look at this hot spring, a beautiful pool of clear blue water, 15 feet deep and 10 feet across, surrounded by white cinder mats and orange-brown algae. It's located southeast of the Lion Group in the upper Geyser Basin. As beautiful as they look, you can't touch the water. The water temperature is a little below the boiling point. Around 184.8 degrees F. Grand Prismatic Geyser is the largest hot spring in the United States. It's known for its vibrant colors, caused by thermophilic bacteria. Where does this supply of hot water come from? Beneath the surface of the park lies a supervolcano, a caldera bubbling with geothermal energy. If you are wondering what a caldera is, it's a large basin-shaped volcanic depression, typically formed when a volcano collapses into itself after a large eruption empties its magma chamber. The caldera in Yellowstone National Park is the collapsed remnant of a massive supervolcano that last erupted 640,000 years ago. So, Yellowstone is home to the world's largest concentration of geothermal features, including geysers, hot springs, mud pots, and fumaroles. As I just explained, at the heart of Yellowstone's geothermal system lies a shallow, partially molten magma chamber, just 411 kilometers below the surface. This magma heats underground water to temperatures well above boiling, often 200 degrees Celsius, but high pressure keeps the water in liquid form until it finds a way to escape. This magma is rich in silica, which is crucial for geyser formation. Yellowstone Park has about 500 geysers, and the most famous one is Old Faithful Geyser. People from all over the world come here to see it erupt. What is special about Old Faithful Geyser? Old Faithful is not the biggest geyser, nor does it erupt the highest. Park rangers can predict geyser eruptions for only 6 of them, and Old Faithful Geyser is one of those 6 geysers. It's been erupting in almost every 90 minutes for the last 30 years. Its predictability, over 100 years of eruptions, continues to astound scientists and visitors alike. The park had other popular geysers like Morning Glory Pool, Black Pool, and the various formations at Mammoth Hot Springs. Geysers have constricted channels or chambers where water becomes superheated under pressure. As the water at the bottom heats up, it cannot boil due to the pressure of the overlying cooler water. Eventually, small amounts of steam form, forcing water out of the top. This reduces pressure in the system, allowing the superheated water to violently flash into steam, triggering a geyser eruption. Geothermal features are not the only features of this park. This huge park has an impressive canyon, with its colorful rock layers and waterfalls. The park is surrounded by majestic mountain ranges, including the Gallatin, Washburn, and Absaroka ranges, offering scenic hiking views. Yellowstone has a rich wild kingdom as well. Yellowstone's ecosystems teem with life, home to a large bison population, elk, grizzly bears, wolves, and the continent's largest public buffalo herd. Hayden Valley and Lamar Valley are known as prime locations for wildlife viewing. Out of the many locations, Hayden Valley and Lamar Valley and Central Plateau are a few examples of diverse landscapes within Yellowstone National Park. Yellowstone Lake should get a mention too. Overall, Yellowstone National Park's size, landscape, and weather, everything is very diverse. The area of the park is estimated to be 3,468.4 square miles, or 2,221,766 acres, larger than Rhode Island and Delaware combined. 96% of the park is in Wyoming, 3% in Montana, and 1% in Idaho. In this diverse spread of land, 5% is covered by water, 15% by grassland, and 80% by forests. The highest point of the park is 11,358 feet above sea level, and the lowest point is 5,282 feet below sea level. The temperature also ranges widely. The highest recorded temperature is 99 degrees Fahrenheit, and recorded in Mammoth Hot Springs and -66 degrees recorded near the west entrance.